Hello student, in the last class we learned window creation and I create all the window for this plan. And I hope you also complete the window creation. And in this class we add doors. So click on the standard primitive drop down and choose doors. Three different type doors are available. I choose pivot door and the creation method is same, width, depth and height, and enable the snapping options as segment snapping. Click and hold on the first point and then provide second point, then provide depth and then height. And you can also disable the snapping options by keyboard key S. Door creation is complete. Now we modify the parameter of this door. Click on the modify button and door height is 6.6 inches and width is 3 feet. Now move this door outside the wall because it inside in this wall. Okay. And in the parameter of this door, height, width and depth is same as windows. And there are some checkboxes to modify this door, but first open this. If you want to convert this door into double door, click on the first checkbox. It will convert into double door. And if you want to change the swing direction, click on the second checkbox. It will open in the outside. Or if you want to change the hinge, you can also make changes like this. So these are basic parameters of this door. And there are some other options related to frame, width, depth and offset. If I talk about door offset, door is set in the inside edge. If you want to change offset distance, you can move in the center or inside like this. And these are leaf related parameters. If you want to change the thickness of this door, you can increase or decrease like this. You can check all the parameters by click and drag. If you want to increase horizontal and vertical panels like windows, you can also do same things here. And these are other panel related options. And these options are same for all doors. First I set this door swing and hinge direction. Okay, now it's perfect. With the same step you can create all the doors. I create another one. This one. F for front viewport and keyboard shortcut S to disable snapping, and then modify. Height is 6 feet 5 inches, 6 feet 6 inches, and width is 3 feet. And you can also check from the top viewport if there is need to move, you can also move. If you need two doors on the same wall, so you can create a duplicate copy of this. No need to create another one, and choose copy option and then hit on the OK button. And if you want to delete this door, first select this and then hit on the delete button, and this cutout will fill automatically in some time like this. It will update it. Now I create other doors. Enable the snapping option first. And convert this door into double door. I think this door is not snapped perfectly, so it will not cut out. First delete this and try again. Okay. Now convert this door into double door and then you can open this and create two doors for washroom. So first I create a door and then create a duplicate copy. And the door width is 2.5. First I place this proper position and then make a duplicate copy. We complete the door creation for this plan. Door and window creation is complete. Now we meet in the next class and add some other things.